Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Roy English Talk. I'm Eva. Today, we will learn how to talk about your home in simple English. Very easy, very useful. You can use this English today.
Hi everyone, I'm Paul. Talking about my home sounds easy, but I feel nervous.
That's normal, Paul. Don't worry. Mistakes are okay. We learn by speaking. Today, we will practice simple sentences like, I live in a small apartment. My home is clean and quiet. Say this with us. I live in a small apartment.
I live in a small apartment. Hey, that feels good.
Yes. Speak slowly, smile. You're doing great. Let's start and talk about your home together. Let's start with a simple question. Where do you live? People ask this every day.
Yes, people ask me this at work and in class.
Good. Now listen. You can answer like this. I live in an apartment. I live in a house. Say it with us. I live in an apartment.
I live in an apartment.
Nice. You can also add size words. Small, big, medium. Listen and repeat. I live in a small apartment. I live in a big house.
I live in a small apartment. I live in a big house. Easy.
Yes, very easy. Now location. You can say, I live in the city. I live near my office. I live with my family. Repeat this. I live with my family.
I live with my family.
Great. Now let's use it in real life. Imagine you meet someone new.
Hi, where do you live?
I live in a small apartment near my office.
Oh, nice.
That's it. Short, clear, natural. Remember, you don't need long sentences. Simple English is good English. Try this sentence now. I live in a blank. Say it out loud. Pause the video if you need. Practice again.
This feels less scary now.
Good. Confidence comes from practice, not perfection. Now, let's talk about the rooms in your home. Very common topic. Very easy English.
People ask this a lot, right?
Yes. Friends, guests, even coworkers. First, listen to these words. Bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, living room. Repeat with us. I have a bedroom.
I have a bedroom.
Good. You can say, I have one bedroom. I have two bedrooms. Say it. I have two bedrooms.
I have two bedrooms.
Nice. Now let's talk about common sentences. Listen. My home has a living room. The kitchen is small. The bathroom is clean. Repeat this one. My home has a living room.
My home has a living room.
Good. You don't need big grammar, just clear words. Now, real life talk. Imagine someone visits your home.
Your home is nice.
Thank you. My home has two bedrooms and a small kitchen.
Oh, I like small kitchens.
See? Natural, simple. You can also say what you like. Listen, I like my living room. I like my kitchen. Say it with us. I like my living room.
I like my living room.
Great. Now try this. My home has... Say one room. Pause and speak.
This is easy to remember.
Because you use it in real life. That's how English stays in your brain. Now let's talk about the things inside your home. This is very useful English.
Like bed, table, chair?
Exactly. Very common words. Listen first. Bed, table, chair, sofa, TV. Repeat with us. I have a bed.
I have a bed.
Good. Now add simple details. You can say, I have a small bed. I have a big sofa. Say this. I have a big sofa.
I have a big sofa.
Nice. You can also say where things are. Listen carefully. The TV is in the living room. The bed is in the bedroom. Repeat this one. The TV is in the living room.
The TV is in the living room.
Good job. This sentence is very useful. Now let's make it real. Imagine you are talking to a friend on the phone.
What's in your living room?
I have a sofa and a TV. The TV is in the living room.
Simple and clear.
Yes, clear English is strong English. You can also talk about what you use every day. Listen, I watch TV at home. I sit on the sofa. Say it with us. I watch TV at home.
I watch TV at home.
Great. Now your turn. Try this sentence. I have a blank in my home. Say it out loud. Don't think too much.
I feel more confident now.
That's the goal. You're not learning words, you're learning to speak. Now let's talk about how your home feels.
Feels? Like happy?
Yes. And also clean, quiet, noisy, comfortable. Listen first. Clean, quiet, noisy, comfortable, cozy. Repeat with us. My home is clean.
My home is clean.
Good. You can also say, my home is quiet. My home is noisy. Say this one. My home is quiet.
My home is quiet.
Nice. Now combine. Listen. My home is clean and quiet. Repeat it. My home is clean and quiet.
My home is clean and quiet.
Great. This is very natural English. Now, real life. Imagine someone visits you.
Your home feels nice.
Thank you. My home is small but comfortable.
I like comfortable homes.
Me too. You can also say how you feel at home. Listen, I feel relaxed at home. I feel happy at home. Repeat this. I feel relaxed at home.
I feel relaxed at home.
Good. Short sentences, real feelings. Try this now. My home is, say one feeling. Pause. Speak.
This sounds like real English.
Because it is. You don't need hard words to sound natural. Let's talk about your daily routine at home.
Like what I do every day?
Exactly. Simple actions, simple English. Listen first. Wake up, eat breakfast, cook, relax, sleep. Repeat with us. I wake up at home.
I wake up at home.
Good. Now, common daily sentences. Listen carefully. I eat breakfast at home. I cook at home. I relax at home. Say this one. I eat breakfast at home.
I eat breakfast at home.
Nice. You can also say when. Listen. In the morning, I eat breakfast at home. Repeat it. In the morning, I eat breakfast at home.
In the morning, I eat breakfast at home.
Good. Now, let's make it real. Imagine a coworker talks to you.
What do you do after work?
I go home. I relax at home. Sometimes I watch TV.
Very normal.
Exactly. Normal English is perfect English. You can also talk about nighttime. Listen, at night, I sleep at home. Say it. At night, I sleep at home.
At night, I sleep at home.
Great. Now your turn. Try this sentence. At home, I, say it out loud. Use your life.
This is easy to use every day.
That's the point. If you can't use it today, it's useless. Now, let's talk about who you live with.
Yes, people ask me this a lot.
Exactly. And the answers are easy. Listen first. Family, parents, wife, husband, children, alone. Repeat with us. I live with my family.
I live with my family.
Good. Other common answers. I live with my parents. I live with my wife. I live alone. Say this one. I live alone.
I live alone.
Nice. Short sentence. Very natural. Now let's use it in a real conversation.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my family.
Oh, that's nice.
See? No stress, no long thinking. You can also add a small detail. Listen, I live with my family in a small apartment. Repeat it. I live with my family in a small apartment.
I live with my family in a small apartment.
Good. That sentence is powerful for beginners. Now, talk about feelings again. Listen, I like living with my family. I like living alone. Say this one. I like living with my family.
I like living with my family.
Great. Honest, simple. Try this now. I live with blank. Say it out loud. Don't whisper. Speak.
This is easy to remember.
Because it's your real life. That's how English sticks. Now let's talk about what you like to do at home.
This sounds fun.
It is, and it's very common in daily talk. Listen first. Watch TV, read, listen to music, cook, rest. Repeat with us. I like to watch TV at home.
I like to watch TV at home.
Good. Other easy sentences. I like to read at home. I like to cook at home. Say this one. I like to cook at home.
I like to cook at home.
Nice. Now habits. Listen. I usually relax at home. I usually eat dinner at home. Repeat this. I usually relax at home.
I usually relax at home.
Good. Usually is a very useful word. Now, real-life conversation.
What do you do at home on weekends?
I usually relax at home. Sometimes I watch TV.
Sounds peaceful.
Yes, you don't need exciting English. You need real English. You can also say what you don't like. Listen, I don't like noise at home. Say it. I don't like noise at home.
I don't like noise at home.
Good. Clear. Honest. Now your turn. Try this sentence. At home, I like to blank. Say it out loud. Use your life.
This feels natural now.
That's because you're not memorizing. You're speaking. Now, let's talk about guests and inviting people to your home.
Ah, yes, this is hard for me.
It doesn't need to be. We keep it simple. Listen first. Guest. Friend. Visit. Come over. Repeat with us. I have guests at home.
I have guests at home.
Good. Now, common sentences. Listen. My friends visit me at home. I like having guests. Say this one. My friends visit me at home.
My friends visit me at home.
Nice. Now inviting someone. Listen carefully. This is very important. Come to my home. You can come to my home. Repeat it. You can come to my home.
You can come to my home.
Good. That sentence is polite and friendly. Now, real life talk.
Hey, Eva, can I visit you?
Yes, you can come to my home.
Thank you.
See? Easy. Natural. You can also say when. Listen, you can come to my home tomorrow. Repeat it. You can come to my home tomorrow.
You can come to my home tomorrow.
Great. Now talk about food. Listen, I cook for my guests. We eat together at home. Say this. We eat together at home.
We eat together at home.
Nice. That sounds warm and friendly. Now your turn. Try this sentence. At home, I have guests. Or, you can come to my home. Say it out loud. Speak clearly.
I feel ready to use this.
Then it worked. That's the goal. Great job, everyone. Today we learned how to talk about your home in simple English. We practiced where you live. I live in a small apartment. Rooms in your home. My home has a living room. Furniture and things. I have a big sofa. How your home feels. My home is clean and quiet. Daily routines. At home, I eat breakfast. Who you live with. I live with my family. Likes and habits. I like to relax at home. Guests and inviting people. You can come to my home.
Wow, that's a lot. But I see it's simple. Short sentences, clear words, easy to remember.
Exactly. Remember, communication is more important than perfection. Don't worry about mistakes. Speak, repeat, practice. Your English will improve fast.
I feel more confident now. I can talk about my home today.
Yes, you can. Even beginners can sound natural if they use real-life sentences. Speak slowly, smile, and practice aloud. Say phrases with friends or family.
And even on the phone, right?
Yes, I live in a small apartment, works anywhere. I usually relax at home, works everywhere. So friends, keep practicing. Pause the video, repeat phrases. Use them today. The more you speak, the more confident you become.
Don't forget, mistakes are okay. We learn by speaking, not by memorizing rules.
Exactly. You are ready to talk about your home in English. Use these sentences tomorrow. Invite someone. Describe your rooms. Say how your home feels. It's easy once you start. Thank you for learning with us today on Roy English Talk. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment your favorite sentence. Tell us, which sentence will you use today?
And share your experience with friends. The more you speak, the faster you improve.
See you next time for more daily English practice. Keep speaking, keep smiling, and enjoy your home in English.
Thank you very much dear friends for watching the full video.